The SWM4111 is designed for wall mounting the Sonos Era 100. Like the Sonos or the Vogel Sonos 1 and Era 300 wall mounts, you have that 70 degrees of left and right motion and 30 degrees of upward tilt and flipping it 30 degrees of downward tilt. Vogels also have European-made floor stands. These are arguably the best floor stands on the market. Because they are more stable than the alternatives, they won't tip over. What do you get in the box? You get mounting accessories and the hardware, of course. Here's a tilt mechanism. We slide it onto the base plate, and then we secure the wall mount with the inbuilt level onto the customer's point of sale display. It sits about 70 mil from the wall, and again, you've got that 30 degrees tilt. The 70 degrees of left and right motion also. Like Sonos, it comes in black or white.